Hey everyone, we got selected by Kiwi.com as one of the World Travel Hackers duo. Wanna know how we packed for 4 weeks only using this backpack? I'm sitting here with my sister who always packs the bag for both of us, and I want to ask her for some tips.
Hello everyone, that's right. So I've been packing a lot of travel bags and I hope I can show you how to do it yourself.
So let's begin with the first question. Can you tell us what is the first thing you do when you start packing?
Actually, the first thing you need is to create a checklist. Trust me, this is a lifesaver. I always make a checklist a few days before my trip. It helps me remember everything I need.
That's really useful. And after the checklist, how do you start the packing process?
So my first tip would be using packing cubes and pouches. Seriously, if you're not using these yet, you're missing out. They keep everything organized and maximize space. I like to pack similar items together. It makes finding things so much easier.
And how do we fold the clothes in these cubes?
That will be tip number 2. Always roll your clothes. Not only does it save space, but it also keeps your clothes wrinkle-free. I've been doing this for years and it's a game changer. Just lay your clothing flat, fold in the sides, and roll tightly. Simple.
That's really interesting.
Tip number 3 is using travel-sized containers for your toiletries. I also pack them in a clear, leak-proof bag. Remember, only take what you need. Your skin and hair will thank you.
How about shoes? How do you pack them?
The tip here is using every bit of space. I always stuff my shoes with socks, underwear, or small accessories. It helps maintain the shape of the shoes and frees up space in my backpack. Also, I suggest you to pack a raincoat because you never know, and it's a light item. As for the bulky items, I suggest you to wear them on the plane. I always wear my heaviest jacket and boots. It saves space and keeps me cozy during the flight. Plus, you'll have one less thing to pack.
How do you manage to pack the gadgets? And what gadgets do you pack?
I always pack them together in one pouch. I pack my chargers, one international charger, microphones for recording, and other similar stuff in one single pouch. Another tip, do not pack any styling tools. Just embrace the natural beauty of your hair.
I am trying.
Also, don't forget about your documents. Keep important documents and essentials handy. I have a small bag for my passport, travel documents, medications, and any other must-haves. This way, I'm not digging through my backpack at the airport.
Yes, you are right. Documents are the most important ones. How about books and journals if you are into this? How do you pack them?
You can keep them in your hands. Airlines allows you to carry in your hands different objects. The airlines let you keep the following objects in your hands: books, pillows, earphones, and so on.
That's right, don't pack those things in your bag.
And the last tip is to pack your backpack strategically.
Can you show us?
Yes, of course. I place heavier items at the bottom, followed by lighter ones. I also fill any gaps with smaller items to prevent shifting during transit. And I always leave a bit of room for souvenirs. Can't come back empty-handed, right? So this is my complete travel bag. It's a 40 liters backpack.
Great, thank you so much for the tips.
I really hope it will be useful.
It will be, and packing doesn't have to be stressful if you have a plan. So, enjoy your trips!